Have you ever tried installing rivets in fastening materials? If not, then this is the right channel for you.
Hi everyone! Today we will be having a tutorial about fastening rivets using hand riveter. First, prepare the materials needed. We have here two plastics which we will be fastened, and the rivets, and also the hand riveter. This is our rivets. This is the head of the needle of the rivets, the rivet, and the needle. The hand tool riveter can see the nozzle, the head, which the pin will go out when you have done squeezing. Then this is the handles of your hand riveter, and this is the wrench which you can adjust your nozzle. As you can see, there are different sizes of rivets you can use. Make sure that the matte plastic has a hole. As you can see, there's holes so that you can insert your rivets. So we'll put another nozzle. You will use wrench for tightening your nozzle. Now, put your start for fastening of the materials. Now you will put the rivets in the nozzle of your hand riveter. Squeeze or freeze the handles. Then get the materials. Then insert your rivets. Gently squeeze the handle of your rivets. Squeeze until you can hear a pop. A pop sound. Then we already fasten our materials. As you can see. Then let's try another one. Same procedure. As you can see, I inserted the rivet in the nozzle. Then I will insert the rivet in the hole of the material. Insert, squeeze, then pull, then as you can see, then the needle will be on the back. So the needle comes from the head of our riveter. Okay. Then squeeze it on the material. You can see then squeeze, and we have already fastened the 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then as you can see, we already fastened our materials. That's how to fasten a rivet using hand riveter.